Hello and welcome to another episode of Linux Innovation. In this video, I will be showing you a basic installation of Oracle Solaris 11.4. To get started, we just go to the Create a New Virtual Machine button under VMware Workstation. We click Next for basic installation. We select our ISO. We pick the ISO, click Open. Then we click Next. We define the virtual machine name. In our case, it will be Solaris 11.4. Click Next. We review the volume size. In our case, it will be a 20 gig volume, and click Next. We customize our hardware to have at least 2 gigabytes of memory and 2 virtual CPUs. Click Close. And click Finish to create a virtual machine. Then we can edit the actual properties of the virtual machine. If nothing needs to be changed, we just power on. In here, we select the second option, the automatic installation, and hit Enter. This will take a couple of minutes, so for the sake of time, we will expedite the video. After the installation is complete, we will be asked to reboot. We just hit Enter, and we'll be prompted for login credential. The default credentials are root, and the password is Solaris. Then we power off the machine with the shutdown -G0 -I0-Y, and then proceed to power off the machine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.